Hi, I'm Daniel, Clinical Lead at Treated. Flixotide is a preventer inhaler for asthma. It reduces inflammation in your airways, helping you breathe easier, and lowers your risk of asthma attacks. It's the type of inhaler you'll use every day to help keep your asthma under control if using a reliever inhaler on its own isn't quite enough. It doesn't give you instant relief if you get symptoms, so you'll still need to keep a reliever inhaler like Ventolin or something similar close to hand, just in case you get an attack. There are two versions, the Evohaler and the Accuhaler. The Evohaler is a bit more like a conventional inhaler. There's a button on the top that you press in, and you time this with taking a breath. The Accuhaler is a bit different. It's a circular disc shape, and you don't need to press a button when you use it. It's breath activated. Some people find this type easier to use. The usual dose is 1 or 2 puffs twice a day. 100 micrograms is usually enough for mild asthma, but for moderate or severe asthma, the dose will normally be 250 micrograms or more. You can get Flixotide online with us. We've helped thousands of people get the treatment they need, and you'll get access to our expert team, so you can ask us anything you need to, anytime you like.